Hello children, let's continue with the class in which we are learning the different types of plants, yes, which are in our surroundings. So yesterday we have learned the different types of plants, flowering plants and fruits bearing trees. Yes, some are the tall trees, some are very big trees. Some trees have many branches. Yes, this all we learnt in our previous class. And yesterday on the page number 41, one table, we were learning about one table, yes, which we have to fill now. Just have a look here on the page number 41. See here, one table is given which we have to fill. What we have to fill here? See here. Some are up to your height. There are the different types of trees, their height and their sizes are different. So we have to write here the plants that are shorter than you. The plants which are shorter than us, means our height is different. The plants which grow very shorter than us. Which are that? That first we have to write here in this table. So first one we will write here Tulasi plant. Everybody knows Tulasi plant? Okay. So this Tulasi plant grows very shorter. Next is, just we will write two examples. Yes, firecracker. Firecracker. You know children, firecracker means what? Kanakamaralu. ఎస్ కనకాంబరాల పూలు అందరికీ తెలుసు కదా, ఆ పూలు అల్లుకొని తలలో పెట్టుకుంటారు. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఫైర్ క్రాకర్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇస్ టొమాటో. టొమాటో ప్లాంట్ ఆల్సో గ్రోస్ షార్టర్. ఓకే, ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్? ప్లాంట్స్ దట్ గ్రో అబౌట్ యువర్ హైట్. మీన్స్ విచ్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఆర్ ఆన్ ద సేమ్ హైట్ ఆఫ్ us, that we have to write. Okay, here MARIGOLD, marigold. Yes, next jasmine and rose. Okay, these plants grow about our height. Now in the third box, plants that are taller than you. Which plants are taller than us? That we have to write here. Okay, so the plants which are taller than us are hibiscus, goa tree, yes, again neem tree, etc. Okay, there are many trees which are taller than us. So these are the three different types of plants, means their height is different. These are short in height, these are medium, and these grows taller than us. Now all of you understood the different sizes or heights of trees? Okay, now let's come to the page number 42. See what is given on the page number 42. See here, trees such as banyan tree, tamarind, neem, mango, etc. are big in size with many branches. Okay, these trees, which trees? Banyan, tamarind, neem tree, mango tree. These trees have the many branches. They give us shade. Because these trees have many branches, so these trees give us shade. Shade means నీడ. ఇవన్నీ మనకేమిస్తాయి? నీడనిస్తాయి. That is why these trees are grown along the sides of the roads. That's why these trees are grown in the sides of the roads, because they gives the shade. A few of these leaves, flowers and fruits are useful to us. Few of these, like banyan tree, tamarind tree, neem, mango. Among these trees, some their leaves and flowers and fruits also are useful to us. Let's see. This banyan tree fruits are helpful to us? Yes, we eat this banyan tree fruits. Yes. Then tamarind tree. Which part of this tree is useful for us? Leaves and fruit. Fruit ante చింతపండు. ఓకే, టామరిన్ ట్రీస్ అంటే చింతపండు మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం. అలాగే లీవ్స్ అంటే చింత ఇగురుతోని పచ్చళ్ళు పెట్టుకుంటాం, అవునా కదా? సో దిస్ టామరిన్ ట్రీస్, లీవ్స్ అండ్ ఫ్రూట్స్ ఆర్ we use. The neem tree, leaves are used. Neem trees, many parts are used to make the medicine. So this neem tree is useful. Then mango trees, we eat mangoes. No, everybody like mangoes, no? Which comes in which season? Yes, in summer season. So we eat mangoes, and also this mango tree leaves are also used for what, children? We use this mango tree leaves to decorate our houses. Yes. Next, we get wood from trees. From where do we get wood, children? From the trees. And that wood is used to make what? Furnitures like tables, chairs, dining table, doors, windows. These all are making with what? With the wood, and that wood we are getting from trees. Yes, many things are made by wood. Palm tree grows tall without branches. See here, the palm tree which is growing very tall, but it do not have the branches. Have you seen the palm tree ever? Yes, it is in our school, no, palm tree. It grows very tall, but it do not have the branches. The leaves of the palm trees are used as roofs of huts. See, these palm tree leaves are used as what? As the roofs of the huts. Okay, when people construct small huts to live, these tree leaves, which tree leaves? Palm tree leaves are used as the roofs for the huts. Okay, now let's see, why should we grow trees? Why should we grow trees, children? Simply, no, there are the many uses of a trees, no? Just now I told you some examples. This banyan tree give us shade, and fruits also we eat. Tamarind tree leaves we use as our food, and also the fruits, chintapandu. Neem tree leaves, stem, many parts of this tree used for the medicines. Then mango tree. What are the uses of mango tree? Leaves used as decorate the houses, and mangoes we use as our fruits. Yes. So like that, here they asked, why should we grow trees? Only for their uses? Let's see here. There is a mango tree in Akhila's garden. Do you know the uses of a mango tree? See here, in the Akhila's garden also, Akhila has the mango tree. Pickles are prepared with the mangoes. See, in summer season, when mangoes comes, our mother prepares the mango pickle. మామిడికాయ పచ్చడి అందరికి ఇష్టమే కదా? So this mango pickle is prepared by what? With the mangoes. People decorate their houses with the leaves of mango trees during festivals. When we celebrate the festivals, whether it is Deepavali, Dashera, Sankranti, many festivals we celebrate, yes. So on these festivals, we decorate our houses with the leaves of the mango tree. తోరణాలు కట్టుకుంటాం కదా? Yes. They tie swings to its branches and enjoy. See here, this is Akhila's house, and in her garden she has a mango tree, big mango tree. And what they tied here? Swing. Uyala kattukunnaru kada? See, they tie the swing to its branches and they are enjoying. Yes. Now let's see down. There are the two pictures which are given here on the page number 42. Which trees are here? Yes, this is a coconut tree and this is a neem tree. Can you tell me the difference in both? See, this neem tree has the many branches. This coconut tree is growing longer. Yes. Here what they asked us, just have a look. You have learned the uses of the mango tree. What are the uses of the trees given below? Discuss in your groups and write. See here. What are the uses of this coconut tree, children? Coconut tree, these leaves of the coconut tree's leaves are used in the marriages. You know? పందిర్ వేయడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తారు. These leaves are used for the decoration. Coconuts are used for eating. Yes. Neem tree, let's see this neem tree leaves, this stem or their bark. There are the many parts of the neem tree. Are used as the medicine. So these both trees also are useful us. Understood? Okay, so every tree has some uses. Okay, next come to the page number 43, children, all of you. See here on the page number 43 also, two pictures are given here. What these pictures are? What you can see in the pictures? See here in the first picture we see grass and many trees are grown here, no? And in the next picture nothing is looking here. Why? See, without trees how this land has become. It becomes very dry and this land is caked, no? Here no trees here grown up because this land has become very dry. Understood? Now let's see what are the uses of trees, how they are helpful to us. Okay. Trees give us cool breeze with green leaves. What these trees give us? They give us cool breeze. Challa gali vistayi kada. They look beautiful with green leaves and flowers of different colors. See, on every tree the different color flowers are there and it looks very beautiful. Yes. Have you played at any time in the green grass, children? Where do you play in the green grass? Yes, when we go to the garden or in the park, we play there on the green grass. Yes. In the villages during summer, people will take shelter under the trees. In summer season, all we people, if we have the trees, big trees in front of our houses, we sit under the trees in summer season because trees give us cool breeze. Yes. To protect themselves from heat, from hot sun, children play different types of games in the shade of trees. See, why these people sit under the trees? Because they protect themselves from the hot sun. And also children also play the games under the trees. Don't you think we have to protect the trees which give us so much pleasure? We should also take part in growing trees in schools. See, children, we have to take the part in the schools in what? In growing the trees. In the premises of our houses, on the sides of the road, on the banks of the fields, and also take responsibility of protecting the trees. Okay. So not only growing the trees or planting saplings or any plants, we have to take care of them. Not only growing plant is important, but also is important to protect them. This is our responsibility. Okay. Next, one more picture is given on page number 43. What you see here on the page number 43, which picture is it is? It is an apple tree. See how many apples are here on a tree. Now, see, this is apple tree. We eat different fruits. Some of these trees grown in our area, whereas the other fruit bearing trees may not grow in our area. See, apple tree, can we grow in our area? No. Yes, not all the trees that we can grow in our areas like cactus tree, apple tree, pineapple fruit tree. Yes, these trees we cannot grow in our areas. Understood? They have the different places where they grow. Akhila likes to eat apples, but she has never seen apple tree. Understood? So here they told us to write down the names of the fruit bearing trees you have never seen. Which fruits that we have never seen? That we have to write. Just we'll write 2-3 examples here. Let's see, children. You might be seen the custard apple tree, guava tree, yes, lemon tree, but there are the few trees that we never seen where they grow and how they are, how they look. Yes, so we have to write here like that some name. Have you seen apple tree anywhere? No. So here we have to write which trees we have never seen. So write here APPLE, apple tree, never we have seen, no? Then pineapple. Okay, next one is guava, we have seen. Again cherries. Yes. Again, children. Yes, banana. These trees we have never seen, no? Again, which are there? Strawberry, yes. Strawberry, etc. There are the many fruits bearing trees that we have never seen, and where they grow that also you don't know. Yes. So guava tree, custard apple tree, you might be mango tree, you might be seen this, but apple tree, pineapple tree, cherry, banana, strawberry, these trees you have never seen. Yes, because they cannot grow here. Understood, children? Next, see here on the page number 44, water plants and desert plants. See, there are the different types of plants I told you, but now there are the 2 more different types of plants are here. Which are that? Water plants and desert plants. Water plants means what, children? The plants grow in water. The plants which grow in water are called the water plants. And desert plants, what are the desert plants? The plants grow in the desert, means in the sandy land, are called the desert plants. అంటే ఎడారిలో పెరిగే చెట్లని డెజారీ ప్లాంట్స్ అంటారు. The plants which grows in water are called the water plants. Understood, children? So here the 2 pictures are given, water lily and lotus. Why they have given these 2 pictures here? This is the flower. Which flower it is? Water lily. And the next one is lotus. Now tell me, these 2 are also grows in water. When we travel to another places, we see the ponds and lakes. Yes, in that we see lotus flowers in the ponds. Many lotus flowers in the pond. చెరువులలో చూస్తారు కదా? Yes. So these plants grows in what? Water. So these are called the water plants. Understood, children? These are called what? Water plants, because these plants grows in what? In water. Next, the picture is given. See here. What is this? Aloe vera plant, and this is cactus. Understood? Where these trees grow? Where these plants grow? These plants grow in the deserts. ఎడారిలో పెరిగేటి. ఓకేనా? Aloe vera means what? Kalabanda. This we can grow in near our houses also. But see, this cactus only grows in the desert areas. Understood? So these 2 are called the water plants, and these 2 are called the desert plants. Okay. If I ask you which are the water plants, you have to give me answer, no? Water lily and lotus are the water plants. And desert plants, if I ask you what are the desert plants, so it is here the answer is aloe vera plant and cactus plant are the desert plants. Okay. The plants like water lily and lotus grows in water. They are called the water plants. Okay. And cactus and aloe vera grows in sandy soils and places with less water. Desert, where is the less water area, in that area only these two plants will grow. Understood? Because they observe very less water. These are called the desert plants. Understood, children? So these are two the water plant, these two are the desert plants, because in the sandy soils water will not present much. So these two plants do not need water, so they grow in the desert areas, in sandy soils. Okay, understood, children? There are the many different types of plants. Yes, and among them these two are also different types of plants, which are the water and desert plants. Understood, children? I hope you till here you understood the lesson. Next we will see in our next class. So children, when I am giving you the homework in the notebooks which I am sending you, it is very easy to do if you see the full video. For that you have to see the full video, then only you will understand what to write in the homework. Understood? Okay. So all of you see the full video and do the homeworks properly. Understand? Okay.